You please continue.
I don't understand, sir.
You please continue.
You allowed him to speak and everything has gone on record.
No running commentary. No running commentary, please. No running commentary, please.
You don't argue with me, Mr. Murugan. Don't argue with me. You cannot win an argument with me. Please sit down. Please sit down.
No. Nothing will go on record. All these unparliamentary words will not go on record. And please, Thiru Siva,
Chairman, the rules should apply to
please.
both sides. Kindly, please, I submit to you. The rules should apply to both sides. When they spoke, you said that when the leader of opposition himself intervened, you said no, he's not.
I have said the same thing when he was.
Now, sir.
I have said the same thing.
Sir.
When they were interfering, I have said the same thing. When you are deviating from the subject, then what I have to do?
What is he doing? Have I ever spoken out of the subject? Have I spoken ever on
he was
unparliamentary?
not speaking out of the subject.
He's
He is
making
within
a
the
point.
subject. As long as he was in the subject, I allowed him.
You cannot. தப்பு தப்பா பேசுறாருங்கிறாரு. என்னங்க நியாயம்? நான் என்ன தப்பு தப்பா பேசுறேன்? தம்பி உட்காருங்க. ஐயா அமைச்சர் உட்காருங்க. உட்காருங்க.
No.
உங்களை தெரியும் எனக்கு வாங்க. Hello.
Honorable Minister, you please take your seat.
Hello.
Honorable Minister, you please take your seat.
Sir.
You please take your seat. We will rectify if anything is against the fact. No. Anything is against the fact, we will expunge it. You please take your seat. You take your seat. If anything is against the fact that I am telling you now. You please take your seat. Don't shout. Nothing will go on record. What they are shouting will not go in the record. No. Honorable Minister, you please take your seat. Nothing will go on record. For some time, nothing will go on record. You please take your seat. Nothing will go on record. You please take your seat. You all please take your seat. Thiru Siva, please continue.
I'm prepared to continue, provided if I'm.
Otherwise, I have to call the other speaker.
How can you?
No. Then you have to continue.
Interrupting me.
I have given my ruling. You have to continue, or otherwise I have to call others.
Please be impartial.
Then you continue.
Please be impartial.